purpose of this video is to give an overview of how we can use this VGA to HDMI converter to take the output from this laptop computer here and feed it into the HDMI input on this TV here. So the three component parts we're going to need to convert the VGA into HDMI are as follows. We have the actual converter itself, which once again, just to review, has an audio input and a VGA input and an output that's HDMI. And then the second part of it is that we need to use cables. This audio cable here, 3.5mm, which will take an output coming from the output port here that's marked for headphones. This will do the audio part. We want to connect this. And also the VGA lead, which will connect it to the side of our laptop computer here. So we can see there's a VGA output port here. I'll just rotate it a little bit further for you to see. So you can see here, we just push it in here like this. Just rotate it back around. Sorry, now, just do this a little bit neater. And what we do is, we're going to take those, we're just going to connect it in here like this. So there's our VGA input here. And we'll just take our audio input here, push it in, and what we're going to do here then finally is we're just going to get the power unit here. We're going to connect it in, and we power in. Now what's not included, we'll say, if we're buying this as a kit, is the output HDMI lead. And the reason we haven't included it in, most people obviously have HDMI leads and may or may not need to buy it. What we do here is we just push it in. And we can see here, it's going to convert this. So we can see there's an output being run into the television screen here. And what I'm going to do here is, if I look, so you can see the output here. Now if we looked over here on the television screen here, on the F1 button, I'm just going to tilt this forward slightly so hopefully you can pick up on it. On the F1 button, which is right here, you can see there's a picture of the laptop computer and also a screen. So if I hit this button here, you can see here that we can, the various options here in terms of projector only, disconnect projector, etc. And we can arrow over, but what we want in our case is to do duplicate here. So just select this. And then what we can do is we can go into files here and play music, etc. And the output will hear both the video part and also the audio part will be displayed and played on the screen itself. So that's an overview of how to install a VGA to HDMI converter kit.